Coffee in my cup. We ready. Anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel. And as you can see over here, we got this fence post from Home Depot. And we're going to try to extend the flagpole another 8 feet. So I'm trying to put this pole inside this pole. But I need a transfer pole like this so then I can put it inside the pole. But now I can't find this kind of pole, this pipe anywhere else right now. So I'm kind of stuck. Now the good news is that I'm drinking this awesome cup of coffee and it's fire, black, straight, cuckoo juice. But yeah, the great thing is that this tower has produced 3 coins in 24 hours. And that is great result. Now, as far as my daily task, I got to get a pipe like this so I can go up high.